Welcome to today's video, where we'll discuss the power of human-centered AI in evaluating and aligning nearshore software engineering talent faster and more accurately. Overview of TeamStation AI's structured interview process. TeamStation AI's structured interview process is designed to detect, select, align, evaluate, and validate software engineering talent using a hybrid of human expert evaluators and proprietary human-centered AI. The advanced process ensures that top-suited engineers are aligned with your business objectives at an incredible velocity, accuracy, and budget. Let's break down the process and the science that makes it happen. Detection. TeamStation AI's algorithms analyze a vast pool of software engineering talent to identify potential candidates based on their skills, experience, and expertise. Selection. Human evaluators and AI work together to shortlist candidates based on their technical abilities, soft skills, and cultural fit with your organization. Alignment. The selected candidates are matched with your specific project requirements, ensuring that their skills and expertise align with your business objectives. Evaluation. Candidates undergo a series of technical interviews and assessments, where human evaluators and AI work together to evaluate their problem-solving abilities, coding skills, and overall performance. Validation. The final step involves validating the candidate's skills and expertise through reference checks, ensuring they fit your organization. Benefits of human-centered AI in talent evaluation and alignment. By combining human expertise with AI, TeamStation AI offers several benefits in the talent evaluation and alignment process. Faster talent acquisition. AI algorithms can quickly analyze and shortlist candidates, significantly reducing the time it takes to find the right talent for your organization. Greater accuracy. Human evaluators and AI working together ensure a more accurate assessment of candidates' skills, expertise, and cultural fit, leading to better hiring decisions. Cost-effective. The efficient process reduces the overall cost of talent acquisition, allowing you to allocate resources to other critical business areas. Scalability. The AI-driven process can quickly scale to accommodate your organization's growing talent needs, ensuring that you always have access to top software engineering talent. By harnessing the power of AI and human expertise, you can ensure that your organization is equipped with the top-suited engineers to drive your business objectives forward. Go to the link below to see TeamStation in action.